Welcome to another RCM Level 1 playback video. This is example weekly test number 20. This example is in A minor. Go ahead and play an A minor triad along with me. This example is in a 4/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of RCM's Level 1 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.